Structure of amino acid. Amino acid structure. Amino acids are organic compounds that contain amine and carboxyl functional groups, along with a side chain specific to each amino acid. The key elements of an amino acid are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, although other elements are found in the side chains of certain amino acids. The chemical properties of an amino acid are largely dictated by the nature of its variable or group. Nonpolar amino acids are a class of amino acids in which the variable or group is comprised of mostly hydrocarbons. The amino acids cysteine and methionine also feature a sulfur atom, but, due to its similar negativity to carbon, this does not confer any polar properties to either of these amino acids. The nonpolar amino acids are glycine, alanine, proline, valine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine, tryptophan.
Acidic amino acids. The two amino acids in this group are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Each carboxylic acid on its side chain gives it acidic proton-donating properties. Basic amino acids. The three amino acids in this group are arginine and histidine and lysine. Each side chain is basic and accept a proton.
Function of protein.
Proteins are made up of amino acids that join together to form long chains. You can think of a protein as a string of beads in which each bead is an amino acid. There are 20 amino acids that help form thousands of different proteins in your body. Here are 9 important functions of protein in your body. 1. Growth and maintenance. Protein is required for the growth and maintenance of tissues. Your body's protein needs are dependent upon your health and activity level. 2. Causes biochemical reactions. Enzymes are proteins that aid the thousands of biochemical reactions that take place within and outside of your cells. 3. Acts as a messenger. Some proteins are hormones, which are chemical messengers that aid communication between your cells, tissues and organs. 4. Provide structure. Some proteins are fibrous and provide cells and tissues with stiffness and rigidity. These proteins include keratin, collagen and elastin, which help form the connective framework of certain structures in your body. 5. Maintains proper pH. Protein plays a vital role in regulating the concentrations of acids and bases in your blood and other bodily fluids. 6. Balances fluids. Proteins in your blood maintain the fluid balance between your blood and the surrounding tissues. 7. Bolsters immune health. Proteins form antibodies to protect your body from foreign invaders, such as disease-causing bacteria and viruses. 8. Transports and stores nutrients. Transport proteins carry substances throughout your bloodstream, into cells, out of cells or within cells. For example, hemoglobin is a protein that carries oxygen from your lungs to body tissues. 9. Provides energy. Proteins can supply your body with energy. Protein contains 4 calories per gram, the same amount of energy that carbs provide. Fats supply the most energy, at 9 calories per gram.
Type of protein.
Types of proteins. There is a total of 7 different protein types under which all proteins fall. These include antibodies, contractile proteins, enzymes, hormonal proteins, structural proteins, storage proteins, and transport proteins. 1. Antibodies. Antibodies are specialized proteins that defend the body against antigens or foreign invaders. Their ability to travel through the bloodstream enables them to be utilized by the immune system to identify and defend against bacteria, viruses, and other foreign intruders in blood. 1. 2. Contractile proteins. Contractile proteins are responsible for muscle contraction and movement. Examples of these proteins include actin and myosin. Eukaryotes tend to possess copious amounts of actin, which controls muscle contraction as well as cellular movement and division processes. Myosin powers the tasks carried out by actin by supplying it with energy. 3. Enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that facilitate and speed up biochemical reactions, which is why they are often referred to as catalysts. Notable enzymes include lactase and pepsin, proteins that are familiar with their roles in digestive medical conditions and specialty diets. Lactose and 4. Hormonal proteins. Hormonal proteins are messenger proteins that help coordinate certain bodily functions. Examples include insulin, oxytocin, and somatotropin. Insulin regulates glucose metabolism by controlling blood sugar concentrations in the body. Oxytocin stimulates contractions during childbirth, and somatotropin is a growth hormone that 5. Structural proteins. Structural proteins are fibrous and stringy, this formation making them ideal for supporting various other proteins such as keratin, collagen, and elastin. Keratin strengthens protective coverings such as skin, hair, quills, feathers, horns, and beaks. Collagen and elastin provide support to connective tissues like tendons and ligaments. 6. Storage proteins. Storage proteins reserve amino acids for the body until ready for use. Examples of storage proteins include ovalbumin, which is found in egg whites, and casein, a milk-based protein. Ferritin is another protein that stores iron in the transport protein, hemoglobin. 7. Transport proteins. Transport proteins are carrier proteins that move molecules from one place to another in the body. Hemoglobin is one of these and is responsible for transporting oxygen through the blood via red blood cells. Cytochromes, another type of transport protein, operate in the electron transport chain as electron carrier proteins.
Thanks for watching.